Stop doing this in your stories. Today I want to show you 3 things to stop doing in your stories so that you can use your stories to increase your booking to attract and book more clients. It's no secret, I love stories. If I could only story, that's all I would do. I would also love it if YouTube had stories too. But stories are not great for actually growing your Instagram account because they don't generally reach new followers. They're for your current followers. They're to nurture your current followers, to build connections, and to share kind of behind the scenes more of your personality, your edge, the life that goes on behind your business. I see these 3 common mistakes in stories all of the time, and no shame, I did all 3 of these as well. But these common mistakes are what are making your clients swipe through or close out your story, not actually watching it, not building the connection, not turning that follower into a paying client so much quicker. So let's switch it up. Let's stop doing these 3 things and let's start building more connections. Because remember, the bridge between a potential client, a follower, and a paying client is trust. And what better way to build trust than to share some behind the scenes of your business and your life? Stop doing these 3 things. 3 things. Saying, hey guys, sharing your post or your reel to your story without adding something extra, and finally, not adding captions to your stories. Hey guys. No. Okay, so yes, you are talking to a group of people from your perspective, but when somebody is listening to your story, they are generally alone watching it themselves. It's really that they've gathered up a group of their friends to watch your one story. So address just them. Make it feel like you are talking to just them. You can still say, hey, but don't say guys or friends or Instagram. Make it seem a lot more personal because then you'll be building a lot more of a personal connection with your clients. It is said that talking like this to a camera when somebody's watching it feels like a conversation. So it tricks our mind thinking we've already had a conversation with that person, so we already have a connection with them. So nip out the hey guys and just say hey or just get to your point. Second one is stop sharing your posts or your reels to your story without adding anything extra. And I don't mean adding like new posts and covering it up. So there's a reason why we have stories and why we have reels and posts, like why we have a feed and stories, because it's different type of content. And I get why you want to share it to your stories because it's extra exposure, it's extra views for your reels, but you need to add something extra because people are watching your stories for a reason. And if they're just seeing the same thing that they see in their feed, they're just going to swipe away, not pay attention. So add a little extra context, add something more personal, add a little bit of a story to it, share something extra that makes it valuable to make them actually watch that part of your story. And finally, for the love of Instagram, please add captions to your stories and to your reels if you're doing talking reels too. 85% of Meta users use the platforms without sound. So if you are showing up in a video talking to the camera, even if you're not talking to the camera, but talking to the camera and somebody is watching without sound, they are going to swipe away immediately because it doesn't do anything. You're not able to share what you have to share with them because they can't hear it. So a super simple way to do that is to just add captions, and that's why Instagram made it a feature. It's so easy. You don't have to do anything extra. Just hit the little smiley face symbol and then hit captions. It'll generate them for you. Pick the ones that you think look the nicest or fit the screen best, but please add captions. It'll also help your viewers stay on your stories longer if you have ongoing rants like I'm doing right now, if you're talking for longer. So please make these 3 quick and easy changes to your Instagram story strategies and see your story views, your connections, and in turn your bookings increase. Please also hit like and subscribe if you have how-to ideas, things that you want to learn like this. Please leave a comment or DM me because I want to make more content that's actually going to help you in your business, okay? So I put out new videos twice a week. I will see you then.